In this first Excel tip, I repeat the information from previous tip. We talk about finding right commands or right options in Excel. So, for example, if I want to create a chart and I don't know where is this possibility, I can use the search panel in the top of the Excel view. So click here and then I type topic which I want find. So for example, a chart, and then I see the actions, the best action, and there is other actions. For example, here I see action, for example, insert pie or donut chart or insert column or bar chart. This is a concrete commands there. So if you are not so confident which option or which step is the most important for you, you can click here in Get Help group. So you can find here, for example, create a chart from start to finish, create 3-map chart in Office, or get help on chart. So the most relevant answer is this. Excel shows me the help panel on the right side, and there is a description how to create a chart from start to finish. And also you can find some videos. So I wait for this media, but you will see the step-by-step how to create chart. Or there are several steps how to do it. For example, here you can find the first step is select data for the chart. So I select data, so you can only follow these advices, and then select insert recommended charts. So I'm going to insert and then I choose recommended charts. And there is the third step, select chart on the recommended chart, start to preview the chart. In generally, the first option is enough. Or if you want to use other charts, you can click here all charts. So there are categories and you can choose relevant category and relevant chart. And then is a select chart. It's a fourth step, and then select OK. So I choose the first one and then I'm going OK. So the chart is appear. Meanwhile, help show us the video. So I click here and see the steps.
In Excel, create a chart to help visualize your data. Select Data for the chart. Select Insert, Recommended Charts. Descriptions help you choose the right chart. Select a chart. Select OK. Move and resize the chart how you want. Want to add a trend line? Select the chart. Under Chart Design, select Add Chart Element, Trendline, and choose the option you want.
So you watch the whole process how to create a chart, and this is enough from me, and have a nice day. Bye bye.